Not really. I think it is definitely getting better day by day, and I mean, I don't think it's putting any trouble in my batting as far as batting is concerned. Yes, it's not easy. I mean, I'm not 100%. I wouldn't say that it's completely normal, but yes, this was something which was expected. That I mean, even if there's a little bit of pain, I can manage it and I can still play this game because it's an important game. So I can't miss out. Yeah. I thought they bowled good line and length. They had a fair idea of this pitch. So I think we should give credit to the way they bowled because I felt that they didn't give too many loose balls. And if you look at our bowling lineup, we have some guys who are playing first and second test match. So they are learning. They will get better at their bowling. So yes, we are. If we look at our current fast bowling lineup, they are slightly inexperienced, but I think day by day they will get better. It's a good opportunity for them to learn and get better at what they are doing. So I'm sure that I'm very confident that we have good bunch of fast bowlers who will learn from this and get better as they play more games. If we look at the way our inning was progressing, I mean, we were in trouble when Rishabh got out. Apart from that, till then we were in a comfortable position. I thought we were 180 for fourth, and we were doing well. So things turned around when Rishabh got out, and then I got out, and then we didn't score many after that. So I thought losing Rishabh Pant was a turnaround. If we had another partnership there, we would have definitely put on a decent total on the board. Our aim was to get close to 330, 340. But yes, we missed out somewhere there. And yes, losing Ajinkya Rahane early in the first session was a big blow. But we recovered from there, and there was a good partnership with Rishabh. Not really. I think, see, our game plan was very clear. The guys have, I mean, Ajinkya and the management has also spoken to the bowlers. So you can't put a lot of pressure on them because it's Saini's first game, it's Siraj's second game. So yes, they are bound to make mistakes at times, and you just have to allow them a little more time to settle in. And Australia is not an easy. I mean, especially if you're bowling in Sydney, it's not easy. So I mean, I wouldn't put too much pressure on them, but at the same time, yes, they have to learn few more things, and I'm very confident that they will. So if something which could have been done well was, I think we need to show a little more discipline in our bowling, but overall, I think we are doing the things which we can. Yeah, to be honest, it does affect at some point because you are only left with four bowlers, and it puts a little extra pressure on other bowlers to come in and bowl more overs. So it's never easy when you lose a bowler, and especially someone like Ravindra who can who got four wickets in the first innings, and he can keep bowling from one end, and he can still land the ball right there in there all the time, and he's someone who puts a lot of pressure on the ball on batter, and he bowls many dot balls. So he's always valuable on the field, not just as a bowler, even as a fielder. So yes, losing him is kind of a blow for us, but we'll somehow have to come back well tomorrow morning. I think first session will be very crucial tomorrow morning, and we'll definitely put up a better show tomorrow morning for sure. Not really. See, I can't. I mean, the ball which I got, I think it was one of the best ball of this series. I felt I couldn't have done anything better. Even if I was batting on 100 or double 100, I don't think I could have survived that particular ball, which kicked from back of length. I had to play that ball, and there was an extra bounce. So it was just one ball which was really good, and we can't get. I think, to be honest, I can't get away with that. So yeah, I mean, we just have to accept it, and I don't think losing Rishabh Pant had affected me. But yes, if he was around, then I was more comfortable, and we were building a partnership. So it was a turnaround for us, but I wouldn't. I mean, if I got out, I can't say that because Rishabh got hit or because he got out, I lost my concentration. So I had all my concentration, but yes, I mean, it was a good ball and I just left to accept. Well, when Rishabh got hit, I actually didn't know how bad it was, and I'm actually not aware about his scan results at the moment. We'll get to know about it later in the evening. So I can't say much about how bad it is. Him and Jadeja both, but we'll definitely have an update by tonight, and all the guys are quite keen to know that what is going on with them, because both are important members of this team, and not just for this particular game, but even going forward. So yes, we all are equally waiting for the report to come. But I mean, whatever happens with them, I still feel that we'll have to put up a good show tomorrow, and we all are up for it. Well, talking about bad comments, I mean, he's been bowling well throughout the series. He's someone I think is ranked number one test bowler at the moment. So he's proving that. I think again and again he's coming hard. Even on this track, there's not much help, but still he's running in, bowling the right areas. So yes, you have to give credit to the way he's bowling, and we hope that at some point he'll make an error, and as a batting unit will get through this, because I'm very confident it's a matter of time where we have been batting well in patches, but it's about collective effort from the batting unit. And if all of us come together, put up a good partnership, then we have a very good chance of doing well in the series. So as a batting unit, I think we are confident, but yes, credit goes to the way all these goals go. I would say that when you are playing overseas, it's never easy. Some of the guys are still learning. So what I would say is that we have to bat well as a lower middle order. Yes, sometimes we tend to lose wickets. Even when teams comes to India, they tend to. I mean, when they are not experienced enough, they also tend to lose too many wickets at some stage. So we just have to accept this, and yes, I mean it is something which we'll have to address, no doubt about that. There'll be a chat about it, and we've also spoken about it. It's not that we are not aware about this, but I feel the major concern is where we are losing too many wickets once we are six down. Our low middle order has to bat well, and the guys are putting in effort. If you look at the way Bumrah has been batting now, he has improved his batting. So our bowlers are also trying to improve their batting, and put up a decent partnership even at the end. So the guys are trying. Sometimes it's not easy. They are bowling well. So I mean, you just have to accept it. When it's not your day, when you are the margin of error is less as a batsman, then you have to give credit to the bowler the way they bowl. But yes, we are aware about it, and we'll definitely address. Well, just to understand the way he has been bowling, I feel that we are trying our best, but sometimes he has a better idea. Sometimes he has bowled some of the unplayable deliveries, which is, I mean, for example, today the ball which I got, if there was any other batter, even I felt that was one of the best ball of this series. So sometimes you just have to accept it, and we are trying as a batting unit. It's not just about him, but it's important to bat well as a unit. Uh, we can't focus too much. Yes, I've got out to him, but there were some good balls. So I just respect that, and overall, I am very confident about my batting. So I would rather focus on the things which I need to do as a batter, and rather not put too much pressure on who's getting me out. I think the way I was batting, I was really confident today. And if I got a good ball, I just have to accept it, and not to think too much about it, because I couldn't have done anything better than what I was doing today. So I feel that I just have to bat the way I know to bat, and continue the same way which I've been. And even as a batting unit, I feel the same, that we need to build more partnership, and bat well as a unit.